welcome back to another video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. And today, guys, today we're going to be moving out of this beautiful house. This house was beautiful for the last 10 years. This house carried the longest chapter of our lives. And now we have to move out. So, let's go wake up my son right now, tell him that we're moving, and yeah. Son, wake up! Son, it is not Monday, it is Friday. And plus, you're gonna have winter break. Anyways, son, we are gonna be moving out of our beautiful home. Are you sad? 'Cause I am. Oh, yeah, oh. Yes? You're sad that we're gonna be moving out of the house? Okay, well, get up from bed. You are not tired, are you? Oh, I think that's the movers. Excuse me, son. Hey! John and Eric. So glad to have you as our movers. We need everything to get transported out of this home into our new house in Brookmere. Do you think you can do that? Absolutely. Alright, so grab everything. And this cost us a lot of money, so be careful with it. Do you need anything else out of your room? No. I've already logged out of all of our things. So just get the things that would normally be at the other house, okay? Okay. Come on, Jackson. Help me get your bed out. And your computer and your desk and a lot of other things, okay? Oh! Okay, put it in our truck, okay? Put it in our truck. Put it in our truck, Jackson. Put it in our truck. I'll get your desk, okay? Oh, this is so heavy. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Help me carry this. Come on. Let's put it in the truck. Alrighty. We have a lot of other stuff to get. And I think the movers got everything, including your bed. So, both the moving trucks have gone out. We have our lamp, your computer, my bed, the couch, and the ceiling fan. And not the ceiling fan. And the pans. Okay. Come on, Jackson. Let's get on the road right now. Today we're gonna be taking our beautiful Ford F-150. Come on, Jackson. Get in. I ain't wasting any time today. What do you mean it's looked? Oh. Get in. Alrighty, today we're gonna be taking our beautiful Ford F-150. So let's get on the road right now. Can't believe we have to say goodbye to our old house. But we're moving into a brand new triangle home apparently. It was the cheapest property in Brookmere. I think it was like $10,500. It really ain't that expensive if you're the CEO of Wolf Burgers. What just happened? Am I lagging? Gas? No, it isn't our gas. It isn't our gas. Anyways, we're gonna be taking the highway because that's where the movers want to go. But yeah, it's really ain't that expensive when you're the CEO of Wolf Burgers. Am I right, Jackson? Am I right? Or am I wrong? Am I wrong? Oh my... Jackson, you weren't supposed to do that. Jackson, get back in the car. No playing pranks with me. You understand? And plus, we're going on the highway. So if you do not open that door, I see you trying to open that door. I see you trying to open that door. I slipped? Yeah, no, you didn't. Not for now. But still. Do not open that door because we are getting on the highway. And plus, the highway is filled with hills. So if you slip, the movers are gonna get you. Yeah. Yeah, the movers are gonna get you. Which you don't want to be with the movers, do you? I went out of the top. What do you mean? This car doesn't even have a top, son. I don't understand what you're talking about. Oh my gosh. Look at the highway right now. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We do. Oh. Oh, right. In the back. Not in the front, though. Okay. I understand what you're talking about now. Listen, Jackson. You have to be careful if you slip out. You have to be careful when slipping out. Anyways, we are still on the highway, hoping to get out of the highway very soon. Oh my goodness. Jackson, are you excited to see our brand new home? Because I know I am. No, the top floor of the front. What are you talking about? Okay. I don't understand what you're talking about, but still. But Jackson, are you excited to see our brand new home once we get to our new city of Brookmere? Because I know I am. No! Well, too bad. I mean, you still are going to the Greenville High School, but you are going to have to get up at 5:30 in the morning, because it's like an hour away. Anyways, we are getting off the highway right now. But yeah, Jackson, like I said, you have to wake up at 5:30 to get ready to school, because there's a new school bus that can take you from Brookmere to your school, okay? So you're still going to that school, so you don't have to make any new friends. But Jackson, I heard the triangle house that we have is so modern, and people loved it, but they thought it was way too expensive. I know what a bus does do. Okay, cool. Anyways, Jackson, welcome to this town of Brookmere. Now, I think our house is actually a few Holy, yeah, holy. So, yep, over here to the side. Oh, oh my gosh. Son, am I a good driver? Because Mom says I aren't a good driver. Your grandma says I'm not a good driver. It's so steep up here. Okay. Okay, you're sleeping? Yes, you think I'm a bad driver? Or yes, you think I'm a good driver? Good? Okay, good. Anyways, we have made it to our brand new home in Brookmere. Come on, Jetson. And the movers are already here. Come on, help me get the stuff out. Alrighty. So here, I'll put your place on. Okay, so you get your stuff to your brand new room wherever you want. I don't care. But Jetson, what do you think of this brand new home? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't this home beautiful? Yeah, 2 computers. But Jackson, don't you think this house is beautiful? Like, look how cool it is. I wonder if it has a garage. Because I don't think I saw a garage while getting into the house, but I'll check. Okay, no, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's good to know. Oh my gosh, Jackson, look at the outside. Oh, my grill. Oh, it looks brand new. I love cooking burgers on that grill. Oh, I'm talking about business here. But I'm thinking I'm gonna open up a new Wolf's Burger here in Brookmere. Anyways, son, I will be back. I'm gonna get us some food. Okay, so you just stay here, take care of yourself, and yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, bye. Wait, what? What? It's only yet. Hmm? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, you wanna come with me? I buy you a new grill? Bro, what do you mean? I bought you a new grill? Oh my gosh, that is so sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you, Jackson. But yeah, let's go. Let's go get some food. Shall we? Shall we get some food? Yep, thank you so much for the new grill. Guys, put a W son in the chat right now. But yes, let's get some food. Because I am hungry. I didn't get a single. We didn't even get road trip snacks. We didn't even get road trip snacks. Oh my gosh. I brought snacks, but you ate them all. You ate them all. But I think you're hungry. I think you're hungry. Anyways, let's go find some food right now. Ooh, there's this British place here in Brookmere. Should we go to the British place? Should we go to the British place? Let's see if I can find it. Because we should definitely visit that. I heard it's the best in town. Alright, I think we have arrived. Here. Oh, yeah. Look how cool it is. Look how cool it looks. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. You go get a seat. I'll order, okay? Hi there, sir. Welcome to British Fish and Chips. What can I get you for today? Yes. What do you guys have? Well, we have our famous fish and chips. We have shepherd's pie. We have everything British here. Alrighty. And what about drinks? We have Coke products, and we also sell some Dr. Pepper. I'll just get myself some fish and chips, and I'll also get a shepherd's pie, and I'll get one Dr. Pepper and one Coke. Alrighty, that's gonna come to $13.19. Here's my credit card. Alright. Mine's mine. And you'll have your food out in no time. Alright, thank you. Oh my gosh. Look at these signs. Oxford, Birmingham, Leicester, Sheffield, Belfast, Glasgow, London, Manchester, Oxford, Cambridge. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Am I right? Nuggets and fries. They don't have nuggets and fries, but I ordered the closest British thing to nuggets and fries actually. So how good is that? Already say your food is ready. Here you go. Alright, thank you. Alright. You're welcome, mate. Enjoy. Will do. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this food is. I'm telling you right now, this is beautiful. So good. Oh, here's your Coke. Oh my gosh. This shepherd pie is so good. Oh my gosh. Is it raining outside? Yeah, it looks like it's raining. Should we head back inside? Should we go back to our house? Alright. Excuse me, waiter? Yes? Can we get a box and our check? Of course. Alright, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Alright, here you are, Sid. Thank you. And then here you are. Fine, have a nice day. You too. Jackson! You're not supposed to be in the driver's seat! Oh my gosh. I have no idea where I'm going. I don't know if I should be even going this way or that way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. I didn't know. That's fine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. We are crashing everywhere. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh! Oh my gosh. That's a mountain. Oh my gosh. Jackson, get out immediately. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jackson, come on. Come on. Come on. We have to make it back to our house. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. 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 Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.